Alright, today we are doing a Sparco seat upgrade for a 91 MR2 Turbo. We got the custom seat brackets here that we're going to have to install on this seat. And here's the MR2 that we are going to be removing. This seat right here. Four bolts, and we can get at it, and we'll record as we go. Alright, just finished the install on the Sparco seat. Looks pretty good. We're going to have to get a matching pair on the passenger side, but nice white stitching. No sliders, but it has a pretty good solid seat bracket. Let's see how it feels. Man, this thing feels like a race car. It's solid.